Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. So today I have another quick haul. I got this from scrapbookingwithme.com and I'm going to share with you all the items that I got in. And sorry for I got a new table desktop for my camera and sometimes it does do a little wobbly. Okay, so I'm going to try and dive in here. I got a replacement mat for my glass mat, which is what we're using. It's hard to see on the side. I wind up cutting part of the mat because it kept curling up. So I got a replacement one. So when this one gets too worn down, I can just replace it. I got a new Tim Holtz ruler. I love this ruler. This ruler is so easy to use, but because I use it so much, and it's hard to see, I'm going to try and show you, but I have little nicks in it. So when I try to draw a straight line, it dips, you know what I mean? And I don't get a nice straight edge. So I'll be throwing that other one away and I'll open up this new one. Um, the other thing I got the Hero Arts Intense Black ink, and this ink is, I'm going to try and read it off the back while we look at it, but it's good for markers. It says, alcohol marker friendly ink. It's waterproof for watercolor and markers. It dries permanently and quick on most papers. So this is really good. I'm gonna look forward to using this on some projects. And then I had to replenish my score tape. So I got, let's see, I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, so I have a 5/8, and I like 5/8 inch. Sometimes if you have, obviously if it's like an inch depth, the 5/8 covers enough. I have the 1 inch. I think, did I get a 1 inch? No, half an inch. Yeah, I'm showing you the half an inch. The other one was a 1/4 inch. And then I also get the 3/8. And sometimes I like the 3/8 for when I have half an inch, like gussets or stuff like that, because it covers up most of the area, but it keeps it from going to the edge. And then I got 3 of the 1/8 inch. So it was just time to kind of replenish and fill up. And then I decided to get another one. This was on the clearance album, I believe it was. So I got another one of the whimsical flower collections. I really love these, and I think with a lot of Paige Evans stuff, it'll go with. So having an extra one isn't going to hurt. I decided to get some more of this indigo from the Pink Fresh. I think it's Indigo Hills 2. I think it was. It was one of our collections. I want to say it was for December. And there was a few extra pieces. So I got more of the puffy stickers and the wood pieces because I'm hoping I'll be able to get more of the paper collection before it's all sold out and gone. And then I got 10 sheets of the black chipboard because you can buy them now in groups of 5. We used to only be able to get it in 25 pieces, like packs, but now you can buy, just 10 or 5, and it's at a really reasonable price. So I did get some more of that, and I had more of the score tape. I owed it to my mom because I had shopped her score tape, so I didn't show it here, but I did have a few other. I think it was another 3/8 and another 1/4 inch. But just a quick little haul. Oh, I did forget this one. My Versamark pad is running low, and so I decided to grab the refill because my ink pad here, it's just dirty, but it still works. It just needs a little bit more ink because it's just a little bit on the drier side. So I do have to like ink it up a little bit more so than I would if it was brand new. And the refill was cheaper than getting a whole new one, and I can just keep going. So at the end here, we're going to have close-ups of everything that I got. Make sure if you go to scrapbookingwithme.com, anything that's not on sale, if you use my coupon code TT15, you'll get an additional 15% off. But if anything that you're getting is on sale, it's not going to take an additional discount, okay? So I just want to give you guys a warning. But definitely go over there, check it out. They're clearing out a lot of the clearance items, and maybe you can find some really good deals, okay? And links to scrapbookingwithme.com, the Facebook page, is all down below in the more section. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.